So we were discussing about the genetic disorder. This is hemophilia. Hemophilia is also sex-linked recessive disease. It shows transmission from unaffected carrier female to some of the male progeny. In this disease, a single protein that is a part of the casket of proteins involved in the clotting of blood is affected. What happens in hemophilia? In case of hemophilia, clotting of blood is affected. What happened? Clotting of blood is stopped in case of hemophilia. If any hemophilic person got a cut, the continued bleeding will be there. So there is no clotting of blood because the whatever is required for the blood clotting, that factor, that gene is absent in that in this case, or defected in this case. Due to this is an affected individual, a simple cut will result in non-stop bleeding, right? I told you. So this possibility of female becoming a hemophilic is extremely rare, same case as a colorblind, because mother of such a female has to be at least carrier and the father should be hemophilic. Clear? So this should be the condition there for the hemophilic female, that father should be hemophilic and mother should be at least carrier of particular disease, so hemophilia or colorblind also. So the family pedigree of Queen Victoria shows a number of hemophilic descendants as she was a carrier of the disease. I told you in last video, I have given the picture of also the pedigree of Queen Victoria in the last video. So sickle cell anemia, this is an autosome linked recessive trait that can be transmitted from parents to the offspring when both the partners are carrier for the gene. Sickle cell anemia is the autosomal linked disease, autosomal recessive disease, that color blindness or and hemophilia are the sex linked disease, but this is the autosome linked disease. What happens in sickle cell anemia? This defect is caused by the substitution of glutamic acid by valine at the sixth position of the beta globin chain of the hemoglobin molecule, right? So this happened in the sickle cell anemia. Just the substitution of amino acid in the globulin protein result due to the single base substitution at codon of the beta globin gene from GAG to GUG. What is codon? Codon is this GAG is called as codon. These are codes actually which code the particular protein. We will discuss it in your sixth chapter. The mutant hemoglobin means the hemoglobin which have a mutation takes place in hemoglobin. Which type of mutation? That glutamic acid bivalene at the sixth position, substitution of glutamic acid bivalene at the sixth position of beta globin chain takes place in hemoglobin. This will called mutant hemoglobin, right? So here what happened when hemoglobin become mutant? uh, that the low oxygen tension causing the change in the shape of RBCs, it become from biconcave to sickle like structure. Sickle, sickle जिसे कि आपने कभी देखा होगा, जिसे घास काटते हैं माली लोग, that is a sickle shape, right? So this hemoglobin become RBCs become sickle shape. So obviously oxygen carrying capacity will be affected here, right? So anemia will be caused here. Phenylketonuria, this inborn error of metabolism is inherited as the autosomal recessive trait. In this defect, the individual lacks an enzyme that converts the amino acid phenylalanine into tyrosine. Simple है phenylketonuria में कि जो भी एंजाइम आपका है जो phenylalanine को टायरोसिन में कन्वर्ट करता है वो डिफेक्ट होता है. That's why phenylalanine become higher in your body. It accumulate in your brain cells also, which result mental retardation, right? Here kidney is also affected by this phenylalanine, right? So this is a phenylketonuria. Thalassemia, this is an autosome linked recessive blood disease transmitted from parents to the offspring when both the partners are unaffected carrier for the gene or heterozygous, right? The defect could be due to the order mutation or deletion, which ultimately results in reduced rate of synthesis of one of the global chain alpha and beta that make up hemoglobin. This causes the formation of abnormal hemoglobin molecule, results anemia. What happens in thalassemia? Here also hemoglobin affected that alpha and beta chain is affected here. One mutation or deletion of base pair takes place in the case of thalassemia. So that's why anemia is here. Alpha thalassemia is controlled by two closely linked genes, HbA1 and HbA2. Hb resembles hemoglobin on chromosome 16 of each parent, and it observed due to mutation or deletion of one or more. Actually, HbA is, you will not see hemoglobin here. HbA is the gene of hemoglobin. Clear? That's why we are saying HbA1. Okay? So, and HbA2 on chromosome 16 of each parent, and it observed due to mutation or deletion of one or more of the four genes. The more genes, sorry, this is not a gene, this is GENES, right? Affected the less alpha globin molecules produced here. While beta thalassemia, the two type of thalassemia takes place. One is the alpha thalassemia and one is the beta thalassemia. So what happened in both cases, I'm telling you. While beta thalassemia is controlled by a single gene, while alpha is it by two gene, and this is by single gene HBB on chromosome 11. It is on chromosome 16 of each parent and occurs due to mutation of one or both the genes, right? So thalassemia differs from sickle cell anemia. How they both are differs in that the former is a quantitative problem of synthesizing too few globin molecule, while the latter is a qualitative problem of synthesizing an incorrectly functioning globin. What will be happen in case of thalassemia? Less hemoglobin or no hemoglobin are hemoglobin formation proper you can say healthy hemoglobin cannot form in case of thalassemia, while quantitative, while in case of sickle cell anemia qualitative, how hemoglobins are forming here, but that are sickle shaped hemoglobin, sickle shaped RBCs, right? So that is qualitative, right? Now comes to chromosomal disorders. The chromosomal disorders are caused due to absence or excess of abnormal arrangement of one or more chromosomes. Failure of segregation of chromatids during cell division cycle results in the gain or loss of chromosome called aneuploidy. What happened in chromosomal disorder? In some, what happened? Either one chromosome will be inserted there or one chromosome will be deleted there. So that is called aneuploidy, right? 46 chromosomes are there. Maybe that will become 47, that will become 45, 44, right? So failure of cytokinesis after telophase stage of cell division results in an increase in a whole set of chromosome in an organism. This phenomena is known as polyploidy. This condition is often seen in plants. Polyploidy means to say like 46 या 47 हो गया. यहाँ पे aneuploidy या 46 होते हैं, फिर in general that is तो 45 हो गया यहाँ पे, ठीक है? तो that is aneuploidy and this is the polyploidy. Is it clear? So the total number of chromosome in a normal human cell is 46 or 23 pairs. This is a normal number of chromosome. Out of these, 22 pairs are autosomes, one pair is sex chrome. You know this. So sometimes an additional copy of chromosome may be included in an individual, or an individual may lack one of any one pair of chromosome situation. These are now known as trisomy or monosomy of the chromosome respectively. If one is inserted there, that will called as trisomy. If one is deleted there, that will called as monosomy. So there are some common example of chromosome disorders. One is the Down syndrome. Down syndrome, this genetic disorder is caused due to the presence of an additional copy. Means to say trisomy is there on which chromosome number? On chromosome number 21st, 21, जो 21st वाला chromosome number है, on that 21st chromosome number of chromosome, trisomy is there. So it caused the Down syndrome. It was first described by Langdon Down in 1866. The affected individual is short stature with a small round head, furrowed tongue, and partially open mouth. Mental, psychomotor, physical development is retarded. Right? These are the symptoms of the Down syndrome affected individual. Now comes to the Klinefelter syndrome. This genetic disorder is caused due to the presence of an additional copy of X chromosome resulting into type of 47 XXY trisomy is also here, and in Down syndrome there that was on 21st number of chromosome, and it will be there on X chromosome, means to say 6 chromosomes, like XXY